Okay, I'm back. So, first of all, you can see how easily that the upgrade went. Pretty much literally all I had to do was answer a few questions that really shouldn't be there. I think they should remove those. Go into, again, just go into System, Administration, and go to the Update Manager, and it would tell me what I needed. It says right now there's no updates installed. Eventually there will be, I'm sure. And all I'm really doing now is just going over some of these reviews here. Now, what he was saying is that there's a difference in the Ubuntu Software Center. And that's where the major overhaul was in his opinion. And he talks a little bit about Ubuntu 1 being a cloud solution, but I'm not too concerned about the cloud. I like the idea of being in control of my own data. Thank you very much. So, let's see what he means by the Ubuntu Software Center. So let's go to Applications, open this up, see what happens. Okay, well, there's a little bit of a cloud picture here. I don't see much. Okay, so maybe we've got history as to when I installed and removed and updated things. I still have canonical partners. I have this other, whatever that is. Flash is still there. Java is still there. Now, honestly, I saw when the upgrade took place that it was installing the OpenJDK, not Sun Java. And maybe I'm misinformed, and those are one and the same. So what I could do is I could just go back to Pogo and see if that sound still works. If it doesn't, then I'll know, right? Okay, let's take a look at this. First of all, I might even log, yes, I'm in. Try pop it. That sounds like that's going to make some noise, right? Since I'm not uploading any videos, this is going to take as long as it did on my first demonstration. See it goes. This ad here doesn't make any sound, so I'm not expecting it yet. If I was a full member, it wouldn't show me an ad before taking me into the program. Now it's saying that the applet is started. Let's see what happens. Or if anything happens. I just happened to catch that little detail when I looked. Now, even though the Ubuntu Software Center is telling me that I've got the OpenJDK, that I have regular Sun Java installed, you can see here, it just died. Clicked on it, just died. Nothing came up. So there you go. Here we go. We're again not asking the user, and well, they might have asked me about the Sun Java. I didn't see it on that list of programs they're going to remove. They simply decided they're going to replace my Java with the Java that frankly doesn't work. It's a useless Java. So this, I can tell you right now, is not in there. It says it is, because if I search for OpenJDK, actually, I would search for Java. And of course, if I search under Get Software, it's going to have these I don't want. And I don't want the ICT plugin. Again, it's doing stuff I don't want. So the weakness of having something like Upstart in there, Mr. Shuttleworth, is that every time people upgrade, and that could be once every 6 months, they're getting stuff they don't want. They've already taken measures, countermeasures, to deal with issues that were there before, and here we are back with the same issues. Now I'm going to see whether, if it's just the fact that I've removed the ICT Java plugin, what difference that makes. I'm going to do each one step by step to see precisely what the issue is. I'm also going to want to know whether I have sound at all, as far as other Now, why is this? I guess, okay, so Mozilla restarted. Okay, now it's saying it's Sun, it looks like it's regular Sun Java. Now it's coming up after I've removed the ICE2 plugin. And my guess is for the Alza system, I'm going to look to see whether, okay, let's try this. Okay, I have no sound. Okay, so this is the exact problem I had before. Now let's see whether the library for Java that I had renamed the Alza sound library. Now I've since forgotten where it is. It's such a complicated place. Has changed, but I can probably find out where that is without having to relook at my video by typing in as super user or sudo. I'll just use sudo because people Ubuntu are used to doing that. Sudo which Java. That just says where is the Java binary. Which Java? It's not going to work. But I'll put the password in because the shell will retain that. User bin Java. No, it doesn't seem right to me. Now I'm going to have a problem. See, there you go. User library. I also don't know if this is a 64 or 32-bit installation. User library. I thought it was. It's Java. JVM there. Okay, JVM is Java. They really don't make that. Okay, and here's the open JDK, and I have Java 6 Sun. JRE library. And let's see if we got this audio directory now. And there's no i386. Okay, I want lib Alza. Get the list view. Get this in order. Date modified. Either way, I don't see that at all. My name, lib Alza. I don't see that because there was another. Man, I mean, it's just so confusing. So I'm probably gonna have to look up that whole thing once again. There's JRE lib. I think I was already in here. Yeah. So I've got an issue with my Poppet. I'm gonna try it again, but I doubt it's gonna be any different. So the question is, one, has that renamed plugin for Java been removed? And I think it probably has. And two, and we've got all these different, OpenJDK. I mean, why do I have two installations? This doesn't. I don't even see the Alza here, lib Alza. So I got to remember what that is. Now I'm wasting a lot of time. Let's just try this thing. Did it just die on me? I think it did. Let's see if I can just solve this quickly and easily by Oh, removing this. So this is my review. Basically, don't mess with the config. Don't mess with the proprietary software that people have in there. It's just ridiculous. Okay, now I'm going to go Canonical Partners. Now it says that I have this installed. So maybe I had two different installations of Java. Maybe it didn't remove my old Java because it's still there, but it added the additional. So then I opened JDK. So now I got like two of them, right? Okay, so let's try Firefox once again. Go back to Pogo. It's got pretty decent speed. Hopefully this won't crash out on me like the other ones did. That's just, it's flat out saying that it's done. Not even responding. Okay, here we go. But I expect that if I, I'd be hearing sounds here. I don't have any sound again. So I'm going to stop now. And actually, I'm not going to deal with that right now. But I'll stop because I don't want to go